Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Mr. Campos, your Business 190 instructor. I just wanted to check in and apologize for the interview worksheet that was not there on AES. It was an oversight, but I'm glad you guys got it, and hopefully me extending the deadline to tonight helps. I wanted to check in with you and just tell you how happy I've been seeing some of your or all of your work and your efforts. I really like the attention to detail and everybody trying hard on their resumes and giving me detailed answers and making sure that the structure looks consistent. You know, we're in this class really not just to explore a career goal. We're really in this class to explore the idea of attempting to achieve perfection, especially when we're looking for a job or when we're looking to prepare for an interview. And as we enter this new phase, when we're going to start talking about the interview process, it's very important to try to achieve perfection. And we're going to be challenging some of our limitations. Many of you get very nervous, and just even thinking about the interview, it's very nerve-wracking. So what I'm going to try to do is give you guys some tools and tips and tricks to help you be less nervous. And one of the ways you can be less nervous is simply to prepare. You will realize that the vast majority of people who interview for jobs don't prepare. They walk into an interview and they're like, let's wing it and let's see how it goes. And of course, you and I know that that rarely works out. One of the things we're going to try to attempt is make sure that you're prepared, and that way, when it comes to that final interview or that interview opportunity, at the very least, you'll be nervous, but you'll be less nervous. You'll have more tools under your belt. Be prepared, because even though we're not face to face and I don't have the benefit of interviewing you, you will still have to do an interview. I'll be talking to you all about the prospect of maybe I don't know if you guys have access to coming by on the campus or maybe getting a webcam. Maybe some of you, hopefully most of you, have a webcam on your either your Chromebook or your PC, because even though we can't do it face to face, which what I would do is I would have you guys do it in class with me, you're going to go through the process. It's just going to look a little different. So be on the lookout for that. That's coming, and I'll be shooting you out a series of interview questions for you to prepare. A couple of videos, a couple of funny anecdotes I'll be throwing your way about good interviews versus bad interviews. So again, thank you for keeping an open mind. I'm very happy with what I'm seeing. I hope you guys feel like you're making progress. If anything, just send me an email if there's something that you'd like me to address. I'd be more than happy and willing. And I hope you're enjoying the course. I'm trying to make it as interesting as I can without overloading you, okay? So again, I just wanted to check in. Again, my apologies for that interview worksheet not being there. It is due tonight at midnight. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. Remember, if you don't let the instructor know, the instructor doesn't know. But when you have a great communication line of communication, we can work together. I know a lot of you have jobs and commitments, and I'm trying to do the best to accommodate each and every one of you. Take care and have a great night.